You gonna eat your olive? Eat your olive.
Here's your olive. Eat it. Mmm.
Tell me if it's sour. Sour, huh? Woo wee, that's sour. Woo wee.
I'm gonna get the sour pickle.
Woo wee, shoo wee, that's sour, isn't it?
Here, 2 of them. Can you do 2? Ooh. Ooh, chew it up.
No, wait, not at the same time. Chew up the first one, the other one first. Shoo wee, that's sour. Woo wee. Woo wee. Man, that's sour, isn't it? Golly. Golly, that's sour, isn't it?
Is that good?
Golly. Golly, that's sour.
Is that good?
Say woo wee.
Is it good? Look here.
It ain't that good, is it?
Look, you want some pickle? Let's see what he does with this.
I think them olives did pretty good.
Let's try this pickle. There's a piece of pickle.
Ooh, that pickle's really good. Eat your olive first, though. It's about too nasty, isn't it? Couldn't handle it no more. Let's put that down and try that pickle instead.
I don't know why I asked. That's
gonna knock your socks off right there, buddy.
Ooh, what flavor is that?
That's sour.
Is that sour?
Is it good? Is it good? Yummy.
Does it make you want to slap your pappy?
You want to slap your pappy?
You want another olive? There's an olive. I'm cutting your pickle. Eat your olive.
Olive.
Eat your olive. Mmm. Is that good?
Well, I've had better. What's it taste like? Woo-wee. Shoo-wee, isn't it? Just too gross. 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 Pickle, but you like it, don't you? Yum. Woo. It's sour. Not when you dip it in barbecue sauce, huh? Woo. Slow down, everybody. Slow down. Hold on. Chew your bite up first and swallow it. Woo! It's just too sour, wasn't it? Look at Daddy. Was it just too sour? Mmm, sour. Too sour? Woo! Sour.
No.
No, you're covered in barbecue sauce.
I can wash it.
Oh boy.